Imagine if I told you there was a simple, almost invisible secret capable of changing not only your day, but also the course of your life. And best of all, it doesn't require hours of effort or superhuman discipline. In fact, it all starts with just 5 minutes. Doesn't seem like much, because it's precisely in that little bit that the transformative power resides. Think about that moment when you need to start something important. Studying for a test, tidying the house, writing a report, or even starting a workout. What stops you is not the difficulty of the task itself, but the weight of inertia. The human brain is programmed to conserve energy. It tries to convince you that starting is too tiring. But here's the key. The brain doesn't know the difference between a 5-minute or a 5-hour commitment. It only resists starting. Once you start, that resistance loses its strength. The rule is simple. Commit to doing any task for just 5 minutes. Just 5. Tell yourself, I'm going to start, and if I want to stop after that, that's okay. In practice, something almost magical happens. Once you start, you discover that continuing is much easier. Those 5 minutes act as a gateway. After that, studying for another 20 minutes, walking for half an hour, or finishing that pile of dishes no longer seems so impossible. See how this rule can change several areas of your life. Study. Instead of promising yourself 3 hours of reading, open the book for just 5 minutes. Exercise. Put on your workout clothes and move for 5 minutes. Often, this is enough to turn I won't into I'll go further. Over time, you'll realize that these 5 minutes are not the end, but the beginning of something much bigger. See how this rule can change several areas of your life. Study. Instead of promising yourself 3 hours of reading, open the book for just 5 minutes. Exercise. Put on your workout clothes and move for 5 minutes. Often, this is enough to turn I won't into I'll go further. Writing or creative work. Sit down and write for 5 minutes. This simple act breaks through creative block. Home organization. Choose a drawer or a corner of your room and dedicate just 5 minutes to tidying it up. The domino effect happens naturally. Over time, you'll realize that these 5 minutes are not the end, but the beginning of something much bigger. Psychologists explain that small goals reduce anxiety and activate a sense of immediate progress. When you give yourself the chance to complete a short task, your brain releases dopamine, the neurotransmitter that drives motivation. This reward creates a positive cycle. You start, feel good, and want to keep going. Thus, 5 minutes become a powerful tool for productivity and habit change. Great achievements rarely come from giant leaps. They begin with small, steady, and almost invisible steps. 5 minutes is that first step. So, the next time you feel lazy, anxious, or unmotivated, don't think about hours of effort. Just think about 5 minutes. Get started. You'll be surprised at how much it can change not only your day, but your entire life.